What up, YouTube? It's me, Isaac, coming to you with another edition of my life. So, for dinner tonight, my aunt made tenderloins. Here's what mine looks like, and it looks really good. Actually, let me get a better view of that. That's what they look like. Well, we've all seen tenderloins, but it looks good to me. Real good to me. And she got me a little thing of cheese sauce that I'm not going to eat at the moment because she did say it was going to be really, really hot. Oh man, that's good. My God. Sandy, you did good. I can tell from just that one bite that it's going to be a tasty sandwich. Oh man. Look at that. That just looks absolutely delicious. My aunt's a good cook even though she doesn't think she is. Oh man, that's good. Talk about tasty. There's only one person's tenderloin I think can beat my aunt's, and that's my dad's. Hopefully I can talk him into making some before we leave. That'd be cool. But yeah, my aunt's tenderloin is one of my three favorites. Hers, my dad's, and then this restaurant that I went to had really good ones back in the day. I can't recall the name of the restaurant off the top of my head, and it bugs me. The one thing I remember about the restaurant is it's a really small diner that I wouldn't think the place would be any good because, well, not to say it was in a bad area of where it was, but that and the tenderloin, despite the area of the location of the restaurant, the tenderloins were freaking amazing and they were huge. My aunt's tenderloins might be big, but the tenderloins I had at that restaurant, good Lord have mercy. It took my dad and I like 2 days to finish one of the two that we ordered. They were huge. My God, that is absolutely amazing. Watch, as soon as I end recording, the name of that restaurant's gonna pop into my head, I bet. I hate when that stuff happens. My God, that's really good food. Sandy, you say you're a bad cook, but you make tenderloins like this?
Thank you.
It, it leaves me speechless because no bad cook can make tenderloins like this. No bad cook, well, maybe one, but I'm not going to mention that person's name. And that person's not even a bad cook. But my God. Well, I'm your host, Isaac Brummett. Please like, subscribe, share with your friends, leave a comment. Peace out, y'all. Have a good one. I know I sure as heck will.